Hey, bro, wake up. The door is open. We
Yo,
gotta take this chance
yo,
and
ugly
escape.
as fuck.
Ah!
Stay down. He's dead.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. That's what your goofy ass get, my nigga. Fuck. That's what your goofy ass get. To crouch.
Where is the key? Did I forget it in the room?
I ain't gonna lie, hold on. This might be valid though. Hold on, this shit might be valid.
That key must be to the next cell. I gotta get in there somehow.
Nigga, I don't need no motherfucking hint. No damn hint.
I can't get in there. I gotta move the toilet.
They moved the toilet, nigga.
It's bolted to the floor. I need to find something to unscrew these bolts. There was a fork somewhere around here.
Ah, fuck no. I'm back. Welcome back. I ain't gonna lie, officer. I ain't ate all day, my nigga. Can I get like some drinks, some snacks, something, gang? You know what I'm saying? Something to quench my thirst. I'm a little parched in this bitch.
It's too loud. I'll get caught. That neighbor just in time.
Good God. Keep shitting. Keep shitting.
That's what I need.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. I'm dead stuck right now. Pop's going out of town on a cruise next Wednesday to like the Sunday after, right? I'm finna redo my entire room while he gone. You and your stepmom's going too? I'm dead ass stuck right now. I'm dead ass stuck right now. Oh, nah, she's staying. Nigga, I'm dead ass stuck right now. Let me leave. Let me reduce. I have to redo this shit. It's alright. It's alright. It's all good. Putting up wall panels, building my desk.
Where is the key?
What
Did I
color you
forget it
painted?
in the room?
That key must be to the
Can't
next
do
cell.
that.
I gotta get in there. I can't get in.
Can't do that.
I gotta move the toilet.
Can't move.
It's
Can't move
bolted
the
to the
toilet.
floor.
Some
I need
sort
to
of gray.
find something to unscrew
Ain't gonna lie,
these
that's fire.
bolts. There was a fork somewhere around here. It's too loud. I'll get caught. That neighbor just in time.
Come on, bro. Nigga eating straight bullshit.
That's what I need.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. It ain't no reason for you to be doing all that, game. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It ain't no reason for you to be doing all that. Gonna have a completely new setup. I don't need no hand. Alright, let's get busy. Hold on, let me watch my back. Let me watch my back. Might buy another monitor. I'm gonna have to get another monitor eventually. I might have to. Hold on, this finna be light though. This shit finna be light. Alright, we out. Come on, nigga. Alright, bro, you making too much noise.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing in my cell? Guards!
Hey, stop. Don't turn me in.
You's a bitch ass nigga. You too damn big talk about some guards. You too damn big to be doing all that. You want to be a snitch, bitch? Matter of fact, you my bitch now. How about that? You my bitch.
Beat me in arm wrestling, and then we'll talk.
Nigga, you gay.
You want me to arm wrestle you without you wiping your ass? Okay.
You're
Yeah.
good. I'll make sure to keep...
And sit your dumb ass down. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, you strong. I ain't gonna lie, you big for nothing. Nigga got the same muscles as
my
SpongeBob.
mouth shut.
You got the same muscles as SpongeBob in that one episode. Big for nothing. Hungry hippo looking ass. Alright, what I gotta do next? I ain't gonna lie, I'd have stabbed your dumb ass, nigga. I'd have stabbed.
That key must be to the next cell.
The next
I
cell?
gotta get in there somehow.
Hey, you! I need something to wipe my ass. That's
Here.
for my face.
That's for your face. Is this nigga serious? Hold on.
Hey, that was my favorite post.
Shut the fuck up.
You're done, buddy.
What? This nigga dumb as hell. This nigga dumb as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even want to break out no more game. I don't even want to break out no more, bro. This nigga dumb as hell. Talking about that was my favorite poster. The fuck on. Hold on real quick. That was my favorite poster, nigga. What? Nigga, what? Gang, huh? Hold on. Alright, let me log in.
That door has a lock? Do I have the right key? Wrong key. I need to find something so I could pick that
Bruh,
lock.
come on, gang. Observe. Find something so I can pick the lock. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not doing no hints. I'm not doing no hints. Observe. How am I going? Nigga, observe. Nah, y'all playing with me. Nah, I'm not doing no hints. Fuck all that. I'm not doing no hints. Oh wait. Oh.
Hey, need some lockpicks?
Okay. Why the fuck is it just a hole in the? Alright, I
Everyone
ain't even
here
gonna ask
needs
no questions.
lockpicks.
I ain't even gonna ask no
How
questions.
much?
$50.
Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
I need to get these $50 somehow.
Yo, officer, can I borrow 50, gang? This nigga trying to extort me. Need that. Stupid ass.
Where did you get that much?
Nigga, why you asking
Yeah,
questions?
fine. Here, take it. Ugh.
Shit. Okay, hold. Click when it's green.
What do you think you are doing, huh?
I'm just looking around. That's all.
A nigga can't look? Stupid ass. Wait, what is this? Why is it not letting me though? Stupid ass. I ain't gonna lie, this easy. I ain't gonna lie, when I get out of here, I'm gonna whoop your ass. This easy. Nigga, this game too easy. Stupid ass. Ah, shit. Bro, if I open, he's just gonna... If I open, he's just gonna... What? I ain't gonna lie, if I open this and he say something like I know something, he's not moving around or nothing. Why you ain't got no clothes on? I like being butt ass naked, I ain't gonna lie. That ass though. But nah, I'm playing this Prison Break game. Call meter. He's literally looking at me. What do you mean call meter? He's looking at me. Wait, can I sprint? Oh, I can't sprint. Okay, okay. I'm not surprised your butt probably stuck to your chair. Oh, type shit.
I gotta check what's out there.
Type shit. Oh, okay.
I gotta hide.
Type shit. Curly, where my picture at? Where my picture at?
Nothing here.
This nigga's a dumbass. This nigga's a dumbass. I felt like I look ugly. Bruh, you probably didn't, gang. Your ass probably didn't.
Come here now.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Well, damn, I didn't know I was fighting Floyd fucking Mayweather in his prime. Shit.
I think I gotta check what's out there.
I don't know I was fucking fighting prime Canelo. Shit. I stabbed the fuck out this nigga on the train and he screamed mad loud. Like, nigga, shut the fuck up before you get me called.
Here.
Wait. Alright, walk down. Walk down. You did not stab nobody on no train, bro. Alright, let me do it. Oh, I'm out. Pussy. I'm out. Pussy. I'm out. Pussy. Bro, like, how is this nigga so fucking fast, gang?
Come here now.
Like, damn, am I running from Usain Bolt or what? Gang, I just know if I turn around, he right behind me. You're weird. This nigga's weird. Nigga, you're weird as fuck. Nigga.
I think I gotta check what's out there.
I gotta hide.
Shit sound like you running from back shots if you close your eyes.
Nigga, you gay.
Alright, bro. Alright, my nigga.
Nothing here.
Bro, I feel like I gotta sneak this nigga. Oh wait. Wait.
I think I gotta check what's out there.
Oh shit.
Nothing here.
gotta be kidding me.
No. We good. We good. We good. Use numpad or numeric keys on your keyboard. Alright, I gotta find some code somewhere. Don't use your pen? What you mean? Wait. 1, 2, 3. That girl said her do. I'm about to. I go like, you use my pen, that shit gonna decline fast as hell. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. I'm making up shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm making up shit. Hold on. Let's just see. Let's just gonna use 3 sides. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 6. But there's another number though. I'm so smart, gang. Watch this shit work. I ain't gonna lie. Watch this shit work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hold on. I'm guessing 3, 4, 6, 6. Watch this shit work. Watch this shit work.
Dude, that's a game changer now.
Oh my fucking gosh, I'm so smart, nigga. Oh my gosh. Yo, Dev, chill, nigga. Chill. What's up, Lingo? What's good with it, auntie? What's good with it? Walk down, gave you the code. On my life, I did not see that. On my life, I did not see that. On my life, I did not see that.
I can't shoot it like this. I need something to make a silencer.
Like that ass though. I didn't see it. I didn't see it until you, bro. I didn't see it until you said until you said it. Man, I can't just run down on this nigga or nah? I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even gonna do it to him. Let me see, what would walk down do? I ain't even gonna do it to him. Hell nah, walk down wouldn't shoot his ass, bro. He'll spare his ass, bro. He wouldn't shoot him. Wait, he said I need a silencer? Bruh, on like, I ain't gonna lie, I did not see walk down say that though. Like that ass. Can't let them take your shit like that. Sometimes you gotta do them like you did the man on the train. Okay. Wait, where's the silencer at? Now I'm finna shoot this nigga, bro. Run down on him? You want me to run down on him?
Come here now.
The fuck down, nigga. Alright, we out, we out, we out. ain't gonna lie, niggas think I'm playing. That ass.
I
Niggas
can't shoot
think
it
I'm
like this.
motherfucking playing.
I need something to make a silencer.
One tap. One tap. One tap, nigga. Fuck is you? Come on, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, that wasn't even a one tap. That was more like a, you know what I'm saying?
I
More like a
can't
little
shoot
1-2.
it like this. I need something to make a silencer.
Bro, where am I gonna get this? Where am I gonna get the silencer from, though? I ain't gonna lie, the nigga in here, he was really trying to play with me. On me, he was trying to play with me earlier. How the fuck can I not shoot the big nigga?
I can't shoot it like this. I need something to make a silencer. Now I can shoot.
Oh, okay, now I ain't gonna lie. Now we running down. I'm finna run out on this nigga like Luigi did, the nigga for, the healthcare.
I'm here now.
Let me try it again, bro. Let me try it
I can't
again. Let me
shoot
try it
it like
again.
this.
Allegedly?
I
Nah.
need something to
Fuck
make a
allegedly. Nah, he
silencer.
did that shit. We got that nigga on Twitter.
Now I can shoot.
I'm here now.
Stand over that nigga, Dev. 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 That's how you would get done. IRL, you froze on a drill. Stand over that nigga, Dev. Fuck is you saying? Fuck is you saying? Alright, how I get out this bitch? Nigga. Oh, I like this. I like this game. Nah, let me down there. Nah, let me down there. Let me down there. I don't like the way niggas looking at me for real. When niggas get their first gun. I don't like the way niggas looking at me for real. It must be a problem. Yeah, nigga, I broke out of my cell. Now what?
Whoever catches him, I'll give $5.
Now what? Now what, nigga? Now what, nigga? Now your family gotta pay $15,000 to bury your stupid ass because you fucking with me right now.
He's here. Everyone come here.
I found him. Don't move. I'm gonna hit him now. Whoever catches him, I'll give $5.
It's alright, we back in the game. I ain't gonna lie, we spawning back. Oh, nigga, I done caught I done caught 3 bodies. Hold on. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I done caught more than 3. I done caught more than. Oh, the nigga that I ain't gonna lie, first body, that's another body. I ain't gonna lie, and listen, walk down. We don't do no attempts. We ain't gonna say too much, though, nigga. We ain't gonna say too much, though. Nigga, we don't do no attempts. We don't do no attempts. I don't even know what attempts is, my nigga. I put shit to bed. Fuck is you saying, my nigga? I put shit to bed. Fuck wrong with Fuck wrong with them. Alright, nigga. Alright, nigga. We don't do no motherfucking attempts. Fuck wrong with them. Shit. Fuck wrong with them. Fuck wrong with Alright, let's break out this hoe. Let's break out this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Running down on niggas with a Glock with a Gen 4. with a motherfucking Sprite, with a Sprite
You
bottle.
don't even do attempts, pussy.
With a Sprite, exactly. I don't do attempts, my nigga. That's what I said, cause I get shit done, nigga. Cause I get shit done. What he say? Tell him how you feeling. I'm running down on niggas with a Gen 4 and a Sprite bottle, a Sprite can, using that shit for a silencer. Now, does that make sense? It don't, but shit, fuck it, we gonna rock with it. All right, I gotta break out this hoe. Now what? Oh, nigga, you think? Nigga, you think? Oh, you think you safe? You think you safe? You think you safe, nigga? Oh, nigga, you think you safe? You seeing your man? You looking down at your man's right now, nigga? You think you pussy? You think you safe? Shit, they call. I ain't gonna lie. Listen. They call me Walk 'em Down Dev. No bullshit. No bullshit. They call me Walk 'em Down Dev. Fuck is you saying, pussy? Let me break out this bitch.
Bombo Klar Art.
Pussy. What's the point of this? I gotta break out of the jail. I'm a prisoner right now. Niggas know my body. Niggas know my body. Wait, I don't want to fall down there, though. Do I have to fall down there? Maybe I do. Let's play a way out. I ain't gonna lie, Baby Crash. I already beat a way out. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I ain't gonna lie.
Ah, it's stinky in here.
What? Oh. Nigga, what the fuck? Oh, I gotta get on the beams. Oh, okay. I was finna say, like, what the fuck? Hold on, let me put my blick up. I ain't gonna lie, it's too much weight. It's too much weight. Nigga, I can't even get up there. Alright, we good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm home free. Fuck is you saying? Alright, they making up shit in this game. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, they making up shit. You telling me I beat this game already? Say swear. Say swear. Oh, you know I like this shit. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to stand over a nigga. I ain't finna one tap. I ain't gonna lie, how yo listen, nigga, I just folded you with your clothes. I just folded your clothes with your body still in that shit. Now, let me get the fuck out of here, man. You were so violent. I ain't gonna lie, Curly, you know what they call me. You know what they call me. Game of spaghetti let. Yo, why I can't jump over here like my nigga? You literally got a 2-inch vertical. Yeah, Curly, you know what they call me. They call me Walk 'em Down Dev. Fuck is you saying? No, I don't. Yes, you do. They call me Walk 'em Down Dev. Walk him down there, tap that nugget. No bullshit. No bullshit.
Come on, criminal.
I found him. Don't move.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Whoever catches him, I'll give $5. Stop.
Nigga, reload. Tap that noggin. Who is they there? Listen, Curly. Come on, bro. The niggas, you know what I'm saying? The niggas on the street, they call me, you know what I'm saying? They call me walk down. You feel me? They call me walk down there. Niggas know my body. They know. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna say too much. They know for real. They know. Oh, niggas say that? Yes, niggas say that. Yes, niggas say that. They know, listen, they know my body. No, they don't. Yes, they do. They know, listen, they know my body. They know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. I don't do... I ain't even gonna say too much. I ain't even gonna say too much, though. It's really not your body, though. I ain't even gonna say too much. Cause, you know what I'm saying? Niggas move in silence like spaghetti, though. You feel me? You feel me? I ain't even gonna say too much for I ain't even gonna say too much. Just know I got it on me. You feel me? Just know I got it on me. You know what I'm saying? You a nigga from the bird? I'm not from the burbs, though. I'm not from the burbs. I'm from the hood. Now, did I stay in the hood that long? No, I didn't. But I'm not from the burbs, though. You feel me? Niggas on the outside looking in. They only just see where you know what I'm saying, where I stay at right now. But I'm not from the burbs, though. Look. Watch how I sneak this nigga. Then you not from the hood? I am from the hood. I just didn't stay in the hood that long. I just ain't, you know what I'm saying? I just ain't staying. What's good with it, Nag? Motherfuckers tried to backdoor me and set up a C server on my router. Wait, how you know that? Nag, am I from the hood? Yes or no? Nag know my body. He know. I ain't gonna lie, he know. He know my body. He know how I get down and shit. He know how I get down.
Breaking the law?
Because my router said so. I go lie. He's from the...
No, that's not what I wanted.
He's here, everyone.
What the fuck? Oh my gosh, let me lock in. Oh my gosh, let me lock in. I go lie. I ain't gonna play with him. Let me tap his nugget. Noodle legs. Noodle, let me tap his nugget.
I found him. Don't
Let me tap his nugget.
I'm gonna hit him now.
Let me tap his nugget. Let me tap his nugget. Hello, a nigga from the hood wouldn't have got caught. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, Curly, that's where you wrong at, because multiple niggas from the hood are in jail right now. So that's where you know what I'm saying? That's where you wrong at. Only suburban niggas don't get caught for real. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of both. I'm from the hood, but I stay in the suburbs. You know what I'm saying? A command and control CNC or C is a server computer or network infrastructure used by cyber criminals to remotely manage and orchestrate compromised systems. And the victims, it acts as the brain or central hub, allow attackers to issue commands and receive stolen. Damn, boy. Damn. Somebody tried to, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like somebody tried to hack my router once. Unless my internet, hold on, hold on, let me see. So it go this way, I gotta follow it. Alright, I'm going. Hold on, let me put my blick up, Devin. Put your pole up, nigga. You moving like a real fucking rookie right now. Put your pole up, gang. I'm gonna tap his nugget. I'm gonna tap his nugget. I'm really open niggas right now. I love doing this shit.
Escape. It's an escape.
Screw this silencer.
Hell yeah. Ah shit, we're walking down and I need some pointers. It's because I opened a port with SSH and used a router key and somehow it got fucked. Bro, a CNC server is scary as fuck though. I ain't gonna lie, that shit sounds scary. Did this nigga say I'm breaking the law? What you think? Oh my god, what? How are they killing me so easily, bro? Only real niggas know how to escape jail. Tap his nugget. Oh, I'm going. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. Fuck wrong with Fuck wrong with